I just reached a very important milestone. I'm in my office here, and this place has looked like crap for quite a long time. It's been cluttered. It's not been a beautiful place to be because there's been unfinished things all over the place. But this vacation, we spent these last couple of weeks, me and my wife, and she's done an awesome job styling the place so that it looks beautiful. And we've been cleaning and adding stuff, and there's been a very important milestone that we reached tonight. And that is in the little kitchen pantry over here. I have installed a little coffee machine, and we had an espresso together here at the little fika table in the middle. And over there is my new workstation setup with a triple screen layout, which is great for YouTube content creating. So this place it feels so good. So when you're working on a project, make sure that you have some awesome milestone to look forward to. And in my case, it was the espresso in the coffee machine. See ya.